Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the installation for the Xerox Finisher with the C60 or C70 copier. First, we'll begin with the Finisher, and we'll go ahead and install the exit tray here, and we'll go ahead and install the booklet maker tray. So here you have both components here. We'll start with this one. Okay, so from here you'll see that these can kind of lift up a little bit like so. They're kind of wiggly here. So we'll go ahead and grab our tray here, and then once we put this in here, you'll see that we'll go ahead and kind of put this in between there, and those black tabs will go right up like so. So as you see right there, then we go ahead and push down, and it'll clamp in like so. Next, we'll aim for down here. So you'll have this Ethernet plug that you'll connect the conveyor belt tray to. So the plug will be right there like so. So in order to connect, you'll have those 3 holes right there, and you'll have 3 holes there as well. As you can see, it's like a little hinge. So what you'll do is you'll pop those into that hole there, and then once you put it in there, you'll see that it'll sit right on there. Now you will have 1 screw right here that you can put on in order to keep this right in place. Then you'll just grab your cord and plug in like so, and then we'll move towards the back of the Finisher. So now we are in the back of the Finisher. So right in this area here, you'll have this cord here. Everything should be plugged up in there. This cord may be inside here, so you may have to open this up just to take this cord out, but it'll be this cord here that plugs in like so, and you'll have this black cord that'll plug in right here. So with those two, then this Finisher now connected. We'll go ahead and attach it to the machine here on the front, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate. So then we'll go ahead and be in the front. We'll open up this door here. We'll aim towards this little ring right here, and you can go ahead and see you can pull and push in your Finisher, and you'll see that it'll attach like so. Then we'll move on over to the copier side. Next, we'll go ahead and grab our screen. You'll see that there's 1 cable here that will be connected down here. Go ahead and demonstrate. There's 2 holes right here, so I'll go ahead and grab this, and then you'll see we'll aim like so, and then it should stay like this. Then from here, you should move the screen like so, and then you have it like that. Now there is some screws here that need to be installed in order to get this be held up. I'll go ahead and demonstrate in just a second. Let's go ahead and install the screen, the scanner cable, and then I'll show those screws right there. Alright, so in here you'll have the screen and the scanner. One will be connected on this side like so. So there's one end, and then this goes here. You'll follow through with your cable. So the guide's connected like here like so. And then you'll see that this has a little piece that will make it kind of go flush right in there. So once you have that in there, you'll go ahead and adjust the guides like so. And then same with the screen right next to it like so. Once you have those two, then we'll move on over to connecting the Fiery, which this one will be the one for the Fiery up top. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate. These are the screws to hold this screen right here. You'll have these 2, these white ones, and these 2. So I'll demonstrate where these go. And the white ones, and then these will go in the bracket ones. So we'll go underneath here, and then the bracket, you'll see that it'll go in like so, like there, and then right in there you'll throw 1 screw there. And for the other side, same thing here. Once you line it up in there, you'll put the screw right in there, and it should fit right in there. Now, as in for the white ones, we'll go in these holes right here. So you kind of just want to make sure you have the screen lined up like so. So then you're able to get these guys in here and kind of rotate them right in like so. So one on that side here and one up outside this here. So So once you have those in, the screen should be nice and tight. And here's a quick demonstration of how it should be. So one right here, the screw right in there with the bracket, screw in there with the bracket, and a screw there. So nice and secured. Next, we'll move on to our fiery. So the fiery will be located right here. You will have a base right here, where the fiery will sit, like so, like this. But I don't have one on this one, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate where the cables need to go. So you will have a crossover cable that'll come with the machine, and the crossover cable will go into this one right here that looks like a copier. Then you have one that says LAN. This is where your Ethernet cord will plug into. So we'll plug in our crossover cable, and then we'll plug in to the copier here. And then you'll have your network cable be plugged in here, like so. Next, we're going to connect this cable here. There's going to be one right here, and then the one that we mentioned earlier right here. We'll go ahead and connect those two there. Then we'll have our power cable here. So then you should have a total of 4 connections. Once you have your Ethernet scan and the video cable, then you have your power cable. You want to make sure that is on like this. And then when you turn on the machine, this will fire up on its own. And then you just want to wait about 10 minutes. The machine communicates, and you should have signal for the copier. In order to pop up your turn on, you have to make sure you open this front door here like so. There is a little switch here that you flick up, and then you'll press the power button here.